Hi, it's Jenny. Welcome to LaShenny21Nails. I'm so excited to share with you guys the products that have been sent to me for review from BeautyBigBang. And I'm even more excited because two of the products that I received in this package I already have in my collection. They previously sent them to me for review, which means that now I can give them away to one of you. If you are in the US and want to participate in this surprise giveaway, please leave a comment saying enter me. And if you've already seen my previous unboxing video, then you know that I already have this stamping plate and this stamper, and I will choose a winner using random.org. All the details about this surprise little giveaway will be in the description box of the video, so make sure you check there. I will notify the winner and announce it in a video next week. Let's take a closer look at the other two items that they sent me to review. We have this beautiful BeautyBigBang Holo Polish, and look at the elegant packaging. I really love the black and gold look. Here's the item number. Look at this magical polish. It is definitely hollow. You can see how beautiful the rainbow effect is. And it's number 008. Look at this. Beautiful, beautiful polish. I already have several holographic nail polishes from BeautyBigBang in my collection, and they're all beautiful. So I'm expecting this one to be just as amazing. The last item they sent me to review is a BeautyBigBang Latex Cuticle Protector. 12 ml or 0.4 fluid ounces. Here's the item number for this one. Let's take it out. And here's the packaging, beautiful bottle. This is what it looks like. I'll be trying it out soon and sharing my review of this latex cuticle protector. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Big thank you to BeautyBigBang for sending me these products to review and share with you. Thanks again for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye! All the details about the giveaway will be in the description box of this video.